Welcome to this Africa Travel Center informational video on COVID-19 testing procedures to all intending travelers to Nigeria. Pre-departure from country of exit. All travelers to Nigeria must have tested negative for COVID-19 by PCR in the country of departure, pre-boarding their flight to Nigeria. The PCR test must be within 120 hours before departure and preferably within 72 hours pre-boarding. For certain countries, COVID-19 PCR tests will only be acceptable from specified laboratories. All intending passengers are required to register via a Nigerian international travel portal online at www.nitp.ncdc.gov.ng/onboarding/homepage. 3 transactions should be completed on this portal. First, passengers will fill the online health declaration or self-reporting form co-located on the same national international travel portal and submit online. They should ensure that the information or contact details provided on the form are correct, verifiable and that they can be reached on the phone number and address provided. Passengers must inform port health officials on arrival of any change in their health circumstances since completion of the health declaration or self-reporting form. Passengers are also requested to upload their COVID-19 PCR negative results onto the national payment portal and bring along an electronic or hard copy of the result. A repeat second PCR test needs to be done upon arrival in Nigeria. This portal will provide passengers with the options of where and when to carry out the PCR test. Passengers will be given an appointment date and time to present themselves at the laboratory for a repeat COVID-19 PCR test on the 7th day after arrival. A list of accredited private laboratory providers across the country will be available on the portals. Passengers whose destination is Lagos will pay to the Lagos State Laboratory Consortium portal. On completion of these 3, an access report containing a QR code will be sent to the email address provided by the passenger. Print out or download an electronic copy of this access report for presentation before boarding on the return flight. If this is not provided, passengers may not be allowed to board a flight to Nigeria. At the time of boarding, all travelers will undergo thermal screening for fever and questioned for symptoms of COVID-19. Passengers with COVID-19 related signs and symptoms will not be allowed to board the flight. This information is provided as a service by the Africa Travel Center. Whilst we have taken great care in compiling this info, we cannot accept responsibility for any errors. Requirements can change at any time. To book your flights to Nigeria or for further information, call our team of destination experts on 020-7843-3594.